Imagine this, you are in the middle of heated online match. Your team is counting on you and suddenly your screen freeze, your heart drop, and the enemy gets the upper hand and just like it at game over. Or maybe you are working on an important video for a client and your PC is struggling to keep up. The progress bar moved at a snipple piece and frustration builds as you watch time slip away. Every second wasted feels like a missed opportunity. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you how to build a powerful PC on a budget friendly ones that run games smoothly, handles rendering fast, and won't not empty your wallet. It's not about saving money, it's about getting the best performance without overspending. So let's get started. The bold breakdown. The CPU, the heart of performance. Okay, let's meet the AMD Ryzen 5 5600, a super faster 6 core 12 threads processor that's going to make your PC fly. And the best part, it's under $150. That means smooth gaming, faster video editing, and no more anyone lag. Just pure speed and power. Let's compare. For the price of one fancy dinner, you get a CPU that boosts your FPS and makes everything run away faster. Or you could keep using your old processor and enjoy gaming at PowerPoint slideshow speeds, totally up to you. But wait, your CPU needs a solid partner. Let's check out the motherboard. Motherboard, the unseen hero. Alright, let's talk about motherboard. Not the most exciting part of your PC, but trust me, you need a good one. Otherwise, you're pulled in just a piles of expensive parts sitting there, nothing. These little guys cost about $120 and give you super fast storage spots because waiting is so boring in Wi-Fi, so you don't have to fight with internet cable. Enough our clock without turning your PC into a frying pan. Yes, Wi-Fi. Yes, Wi-Fi. You listen correctly. Yes, Wi-Fi is already inside because crawling under your desk just to find a cable. No thanks. Okay, but here the things. None of these means much without the graphic cards, and that's where things get really interesting. GPU, where the magic happens. Alright, this is where things get real. The RTX 3060 is a powerful, affordable gaming GPU in 2025. It on games super smooth at 1080 pixel ultra and even 14 pixels without into your wallet. For just $300, you get it. You get it. Yes, ray tracing so lights and reflection look crazy real. DLSS boost FPS so your games run faster and smoother. VR ready because regular gaming is not enough. Imagine this, you fire up Cyberpunk 2077. Everything looked incense. Neon lights glowing everywhere. And boom, no lag, no drag, just smooth gameplay. And the best part, you did not have to sell a kidney to get it. But having powerful is one thing, keeping it cool. That's the real challenge. Cooling and case, the secret weapon. Okay, let's talk about something most people ignore, but it actually is super important, cooling. Your PC work hard and if it gets too hot, well, Let's just say nobody want a Ferret processor. Meet the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black Edition. This little beast keeps things nice and cool for just $20. No more overheating, no more panic attack. Now throw in the Cooler Master Q30L case and here's what you get. Great airflow, clean sleek look, easy cable management. But wait, there's more important. Time to power up things up with RAM, storage, and PCU. Let's get started. RAM, storage, and power. Alright, we are almost done. Just need to add some space, speed, and power. For RAM, grab 60 GB DDR4 at 32 MHz, fast, smooth, and will not break the bank. Just $50 and boom. No lag, no drama. Storage, easy 500 GB NVMe SSD for speed, 1 TB HDD for all the extra stuff. Best of both worlds. Fast boot times and plenty of room for whatever you're totally legally downloading. And power. Go with the EVGA 600 watt 80 plus bronze PCU keeps everything running safely for just $500. Because trust me, a cheap power supply will turn your PC into a fireworks show and note the fun kids. Payoff. And there it is, a killer gaming PC for just $50. Who said you need a fortune to get a good setup? This thing run fast, play smooth, and who not into your wallet. Play games with no lags, edit video with like a champ, save cache, and still have a best of a PC. Oh, wait, and if you are thinking about upgrading to an RTX 4070, don't miss up the CPU choice. Like this video right here before you do anything. That's it. Bolt smart, play hard, and I will see you in the next video.